Alright. Testing out new GoPro mount for night vision scope. It's kind of a cloudy, mostly cloudy night. There's a few stars that show through, but not very many. There should be a mountain over there. Wait, I might be seeing a little bit of it there. I wonder. What if I get where I can maybe get a better view? There's the cat. Who's curious why I'm running around at night in the dark with a tripod. Okay. It's just a house over there. You've got a porch, a street lamp out there. Not sure. I think there's too many clouds near the mountain there, but oh, there's a few stars and stuff. Oh, look at that. What do you know? There's the neighbors. Oh, well. Just as reference, let's see how my little LED headlamp lights up the neighborhood with this thing. Oh, yeah. Doesn't take a very powerful light to light up trees several hundred feet away. Okay.